session. So, hello everyone, my name is Geet Kaushik,
And my name is Mukul Nayan.
and we are your today's session host. So, let's start this session with a simple small question. Do you use apps? Yeah, of course we do. Like, we use it in our daily basis, like from scrolling memes on Instagram to taking classes on Google Classroom. So, you see, we are actually packed in our life with these different kinds of apps. So here comes the role of a software developer who develops these apps and from where we are using it. So as you can see that for this we have to make apps on various platforms like OS, various iOS, Android, and also web platforms. So for them, it is very difficult to make as we have to we have to write in different languages, right? So here comes the Flutter. As Flutter is an open source UI software from which we can make different cross platform apps from by using a single code base. As, okay, so from here onwards, Mukul will take over with the brief intro of our today's speaker.
Thank you, Geet Kaushik. Now, moving on to welcoming our guest, Mr. Tushar Nikam. Tushar Nikam, he is a Flutter developer at Mind Sports League, an open source enthusiast, and have hands-on experience in analysis, development, and implementation. Now, I welcome Mr. Tushar Nikam to enlighten us with knowledge on Flutter. Sir.
Yeah, hello. Is that audible to you, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The first thing is that don't call me sir because I'm just graduated in previous year. So yeah, thanks guys. Thanks for the lovely introduction. Let me share my screen. Okay. Okay. Is this visible?
Now you can share this screen.
Is this visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Tushar.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. As team already introduced me about. Okay. This session is for the the just want to start their Flutter journey as a just just want to start their Flutter journey as a beginner. Just want to know about on which year you all are. Just from the for your first year, just type first, second, third, fourth. Before no, I just want to know about okay, first year. Okay, second year, first, second, third. Okay, cool. Means a lot of students from the first year itself. First year, some of the second. I can see some of the third year. Okay, cool. Yeah, this session is for the if you don't know about any programming language or anything about the Flutter, then we can cover each and every introduction about that. Okay. Before just we are downloading and install the Flutter because it takes some little time. It's 600 to 7 MB. So just start downloading this, and then we will discuss some parameters. Just go to this link. And how many you're using Android means MacBook or Windows? How many have the MacBook? So accordingly, we can demonstrate Windows. Okay, Windows. Okay, okay. Cool. Okay. I just tell you about just download this. Go to this link flutter.dev and just download this Flutter Windows. And those are the Mac user. Go to the MacBook and download this Mac one, because it takes some time. So I don't want to waste your time. Just downloading this. Just start downloading. Okay. Have you started downloading? Okay. You can unmute, or you can also talk to the, no issue. Okay. 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 Cool. 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 Okay. Cool. Application using the Flutter. And there are lots of feature. Let's break down into this. This statement. The Flutter consists of the three main important parts. As you already know about, Flutter is open source. Flutter is not only the UI toolkit or frameworks. It's have the SDK, the software development kit, and third one is the a framework, as nowadays we call as the SDK. It's UI toolkit. Uh, uh, Anyone know about what is open source? What does mean?
Accessible by everyone.
Okay.
Free.
Yeah, just unmute guys yourself. This session I want to be on two ways, not just only the talking about on one side. You can unmute and just say something about this. Okay. It's anyone can develop other.
Source code is visible.
Okay, yeah, that's correct. Okay, open source means is that all the source code is available for everyone. That's mean you can also you can also put your your contribution change according to your requirement and all the things. And suppose you want to you doesn't want to that kind of stuff, so you go there, modify the access code, use accordingly from yourself. Second one is the Flutter is also SDK. SDK is as SDK means that it's contain all the documentation required to build as a software. It's include everything that's it's to build one software. That's it. And third one is the UI toolkit. It's collection of the UI element that's we can also learn more about in next slide. Okay. And as already about told about Flutter support all the platform. Flutter support mobile, web, desktop, embedded. In nowadays, people can uh, u- develop application for the Raspberry Pi and all the things that. As a Flutter is a beautiful. You can develop any application. You as you already see about some LinkedIn or some some social media that the people can develop application and share their knowledge. It's any kind of application you can do as a productive. That's mean you know in nowadays it's reduce the development time. In within the less time you can achieve more money. And hot reload, hot restart. That's make the user fast. And fourth one is the open source. Um, do you anyone see the Google Pay application?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. That application is built using the Flutter itself. Google Photos. You know, you, you can achieve any kind of the fancy stuff. Then any complex animation. That's kind of, as you can see it's very fast. Just you change modify some code and just save your code, then automatically reflects here. You know that's makes it very fast. One more thing is Google. Which company is use the Flutter? In as you can see, Alibaba, Dream11, eBay, Google Ads. Even in India, the topmost company are Slice, Ola Electrical, Front Row. The Google Photos application also built using the Flutter itself. And the last one is the WeChat. WeChat has millions, trillions of users that's built using the Flutter itself. And one this question is it's very important. Why use Flutter? You know because there is lots of application is there, lots of resources is available there. Then why you choose Flutter? There is lots of reason you can choose Flutter, as a your framework, as your next development tool. uh, there are lots. There are some of example. Flutter has only one code base, means you can develop Android application, iOS or Windows, Linux, embedded application on a single code base. And that means make it responsive for the web, desktop, on the single code base, and work well with the Firebase as a backend, and their integration part with integration with the Firebase, it's very hassle free. You can within the few minutes you can integrate your Firebase as a backend. And the Flutter use Dart programming language, which is also developed by the Google itself. Initially, Google developed for their internal purpose. Then after that, some time they make as a open source. Now Flutter use the Dart, which has the pure object oriented programming language. And the main thing is that it's maintain the material design developed by the Google itself. So according to the App Store, Play Store, they all take care of the that things. And the last one is great documentation. You can if you just want to learn about the Flutter, you can just easily go to the flutter.dev and learn easily anything without any resources. Let's see why you should learn Flutter. Flutter, we're gonna discuss this thing, but I just want to show this graph, as the Flutter community. It's the mature community support for the Flutter developer. As you can see, the graph between up to the 2021, the Flutter Stack Overflow answer, goes into the rather than all the cross-platform framework and all those things. In 2020, Flutter do the some survey about uh, according to user, and you can see the graph between the Flutter 2019 and 20 in between. It's nowadays it's almost greater than the React Native and all the things there. Okay, just want to know, have you guys download? You know, just learn about if you then let's consider that you learn all the things that, and then what is the job market for the Flutter developer? As you can see, there is the job market divided into three main parts. As a freelancer, you can work as MNC, just like as a big tech giant, as a like TCS, Infosys, all the things. And third category is startups. To be realistic, in for the Flutter freelancer, there are lots of and multiple job. You can in nowadays the college student goes and earn lots of money rather than it's more than your all salary or CTC, etc. To be realistic, an MNC is nowadays it's not much job as a Flutter developer. The just little bit company start adopting as a Flutter, but it's uh, the job requirement as less in MNC. And startup as compared to other other platforms, all the thing is that startup also have the lot of job opportunity. Before start into the Flutter journey, you just know the basic concept and basic object oriented, what is classes, function, methods, variable, and asynchronous code. If you didn't know about async code, then we will discuss in the next slides. Okay, have you downloaded, right? Okay, just install this SDK. Just unzip this SDK and just set this application. Then we can uh, going forward to the simultaneously. So accordingly, have you unzip?
Yes, we have extracted that.
Okay, okay, okay.
And what we have to do next?
Yeah, just unzip this. Uh, just go this one. Okay. Let me share some. Have you downloaded VS Code?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah, everyone, just say something, because then I can also understand and we can go all simultaneously, because okay, okay. I will show how we can install Flutters and all the things that uh, unzip your SDK and set set path. For Windows, you have to say our slash Flutter or bean path in the environmental variable. Do you guys know about how to set environmental path? Hello.
So please tell.
Yeah. Do you guys know how to install the environmental path or something like that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just set your you unzip that SDK, and there you can see the Flutter and the bean folder. Just set their path on the environmental variable. If anyone have the Windows, they can also share the screen. Then I can also tell about, because I didn't have the Windows. Can anyone share screen? Hello, hello.
Some people got Linux.
Yeah, Linux also okay. Linux also same process. For the Linux, I will share the link. Linux has the very hassle-free installation. If anyone have the Windows, they can just share your screen. Then I can also explain all the stuff so other people can also see and go. As of now, I didn't have the Windows. If anyone have Windows machine, okay, 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 okay. No issue. Uh, have you downloaded VS Code?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. As you can see on bottom of that, on left side, there some extension. Are you able to see this one?
Tushar, Pranav is sharing the screen
Okay, okay, okay.
for
Cool, cool.
Windows.
Okay, okay, okay. Just go to the environmental variable. You know, just yeah, that's the correct. Just in path. Just set your bean and the flutter path here. Yeah, yeah, that's the correct. Okay, okay. Pranav, just go to the command line and just type flutter. Yeah, yeah, that's great. Everyone, please type the flutter doctor. They will tell you about exact status, what they are saying, and what you need to again set up all the things. Okay, as you can see, is there flutter is installed under studio, under studio also installed. They have the two connected device, Chrome. Okay. uh, is everyone able to see this type of output as a flutter doctor?
In path variable, environment variable, which way path we have to put?
Pranav, just go to your SDK folder and just show me their path exactly. Okay. Yeah, this path, the downloaded SDK path, you need to the copy and just put this path.
Then we have to do after putting path in it.
Then set as an environmental variable. Just go to the path and edit and add as a new path. Cool. Has everyone done? Just pronounce, show the the Flutter doctor's screen. Yeah. Geet also shared the screen, but share the path, but each and everyone has a different path of where they downloaded the SDK file. Is everyone able to see as a Flutter doctor? If you don't have the Android Studio, it will be fine. We can use real device.
I'm not able to enter my path variable.
You're not able to find
Enter my
path variable.
no, yeah.
Can you just share your screen? Then
Yes.
we can help with that. If anyone have any question, just share their screen. Because that's the main crucial part.
I have installed the VS Code, but it is showing me issue that VS Code not installed when I'm typing Flutter Doctor.
Okay. Uh,
Just see, I'm not able to enter over here.
just also install the VS Code. Have you copied that that the Flutter SDK path?
Yes, I have.
Go to the bin. Just copy this one path.
The standard option is not coming.
No, you can use the user variable for the per one.
This one. I have already entered this.
Okay. And just go to the the command line and type Flutter.
Tanish, you have to start CMD in your laptop. Type CMD in search bar.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Then what should I type?
Just type Flutter. Here. They'll show Flutter is installed or not. Yeah, just type Flutter Doctor. Flutter is the SDK is installed. I think there is some spelling mistakes. Flutter Doctor.
Command is right.
Doctor spelling is mistaken. DOR.
It's OR.
Sorry.
It's a doctor, TOR.
TOR.
Okay. Yeah, it's installed. Installed. Just open your VS Code. Has everyone done the SDK part? Yeah.
Is it correct? Found issue in categories.
Okay. They are showing just copy the path.sdk manager dash line and just paste and run there.
Which line?
Run.
Run.
You can see just copy the path /2 sdk manager dot install cmd line tools latest this one.
Sorry, I'm not able to understand what are you saying.
Just copy this line path
Okay, this
/2
line.
manager. Yeah.
The whole this is for only
Yeah,
just
no. Just only the double coded single coded. Yes. No, guys, this path, this step is the initial step. So
I copy.
Control Shift V.
Control Shift. So to copy, we have to use Control Shift.
Or else you can also right click and then copy this.
That's what I'm doing, but actually it's not coming.
Yeah, like just do Control C. That will also work.
I've done that. I don't
And
know if it's copied or not.
And now do Control V, it will copy it.
Where should I paste it? Over here?
Just type else no issue path/to SDK manage jar -happen install. Yeah, okay.
Like this?
Remove
this
that
one.
last double quote we have.
Remove that double quotes at last.
Actually, double quotes are over here. Should I run now?
You need to replace that path to SDK manager with whatever path you have.
Yeah, the path that you copied on the environmental variable.
Okay, so this path I have to change, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah, just do that. Else everyone has done this part. You know, the setup VS Code and SDK.
No, we are having the same issue. Same error.
Okay.
Replace
Yeah.
the path to SDK manager with the location.
SDK manager is
You are
in the
putting
bin
it after
folder.
that.
SDK manager का path कहाँ पर रहेगा?
जो आपने डाउनलोड किया था उस वाले फोल्डर में आपने
ये वाला पाथ ना, ये वाला कॉपी किया.
यस
ये इसमें चेंज कर लेते हैं.
you also
ऐसे?
no man.
हाँ.
एक मिनट. Okay, if you are not able to find, where is your exact path, just type where flutter dot. That will give your SDK path. This path you need to set.
Are you sharing screen?
No, I just put on chat message. Just type where flutter dot.
It's showing where is not recognized as internal external command.
Where is for Linux and Mac, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Instead, you can also do, I guess, like Flutter dash install and command line tools. That will also work.
Are you speaking about this command?
Yeah, and also write this command line tools, I think.
Sorry, what? What I was saying?
And also write the command line tools line. You can see on the work that is wrapped in the codes.
Press upward key and go to the previous command, that path to SDK manager one, and from that remove the path to SDK and put Flutter. That's all. I guess that's what Pranav was telling.
But it's not right.
Okay, it won't work.
No man. ओके जस्ट क्लियर. ओके पहले सब क्लियर करो. फ्लटर डॉक्टर डालो क्योंकि हम एक साथ पूरा सब कर रहे हैं तो इसीलिए पूरा ये हो रहा है.
क्लियर कैसे करें?
You have to CLS.
CLS.
Okay, अभी फ्लटर डॉक्टर वाला
What? Flutter only is not recognized.
Yeah, your SDK path is not set. Thus the flutter is not recognized.
It worked.
It was working previously. We changed something over here.
Yes.
It's in user variable, not in system variable. That's what I'm saying. I'm not able to edit this.
That might be because you don't have the admin access of.
Yeah, that's the reason. That is showing.
I have to restart.
बाकी सब लोगों का हो गया कि it's everyone done. ये सेम इशू आ रहा है सबको.
सेम इशू आ रहा है.
Okay.
सिस्टम वेरिएबल में सेट कर दिया पाथ, उसके बाद भी फ्लटर इज नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड आ रहा है. पहले रन हो रहा था वो, बट वो फिर दूसरे रन जो कमांड किए ना इंस्टॉलेशन वाले,
या वो
उसके
इशू
बाद
तभी
में
आता
कुछ
है.
इशू आ रहा है.
ओके. वो इशू तभी आता है कि जब आपका जो environmental variable path है वो recognize नहीं कर लेता.
Linux is most preferred for these development kind of work.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Don't confuse with that. Just download this SDK. Okay, आपके इसमें git install है. Okay, अलग टास्क हो जाएगा.
Tushar, can we do one thing? Like जिनका हो गया, we can continue with the session, and बाद में after session we can help जिनका issue आया.
Yeah. Yes, because this will be take time.
Right,
Okay.
right.
Yes. आप एक काम कर सकते हो. अभी तो हम लोग आपका भी वो नहीं हो रहा है. VS कोड तो डाउनलोडेड है ना, तो वो वाला पार्ट बाद में करेंगे. इससे कोई इशू नहीं है. ठीक है.
Pranav can help on Monday, I guess.
Yeah,
you guys can.
no issue. We will do after. Okay. VS कोड अभी जिसका डाउनलोड हुआ है, just type on extension flutter. You know, यहाँ आपको इंस्टॉल बटन आएगा. Just install this one, Flutter and the Dart.
योर स्क्रीन इज नॉट विजिबल.
Okay, let me share again. Okay, now it's visible.
Yes.
Okay. Just go to this extension part. Are you able to see this one? Just type Flutter. And then, here you will be see the install button. Just install. Same for the Dart. Have you done this step?
Yes.
Okay. अभी बस उसे रिस्टार्ट कर लीजिए कि मतलब command shift control shift 3 for the Windows, and just reload window. Are you able to do that? Yes. Flutter and Dart. ये करना है हॉट, ये करना है उसे क्लोज कर कर विंडोज को रिफ्रेश करना है। एक तो क्लोज कर सकते हैं, या एक शॉर्टकट ऑप्शन है कंट्रोल शिफ्ट पे, मैक के लिए कमांड शिफ्ट पे, और यहाँ पर रिलोड विंडो कर कर। ओके, हैव यू डन ऑल? या जस्ट अनम्यूट और से समथिंग।
Yes, sir.
ओके 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 ओके। उसके बाद सिर्फ कंट्रोल शिफ्ट पे और मैक के लिए कमांड शिफ्ट पे, राइट फिल्टर, न्यू प्रोजेक्ट, select application, select your folder where you want to paste, and then after that the Flutter application name, just enter. उसके बाद कुछ लोगों को मैं भी एचडीके नहीं डिटेक्ट कर रहा होगा, तो बस एचडीके जो फोल्डर है वहां पर आप उसे नेविगेट कर दीजिए।
Can you say it once again? क्या स्टेप था?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Please repeat this step.
ओके मेरे साथ पहले एक कंट्रोल शिफ्ट पी,
विंडोज के लिए।
हाँ यस, कंट्रोल शिफ्ट पी, तब आप ऐसा कुछ मेनू दिख रहा होगा, जस्ट टाइप फ्लटर, फर्स्ट ही आपको आ जाएगा न्यू प्रोजेक्ट, उसमें एप्लीकेशन सिलेक्ट कीजिए, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सिलेक्ट एनी फोल्डर पाथ, जस्ट एंटर। किसी को कुछ इश्यू आ रहा है इसमें? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
या इट्स एवरीवन डन?
Yes, yes.
ओके, अब यहाँ पर फ्लटर डॉक्टर डाल के देखिए, आगे सबका ये स्टेप हो रहा है तो सबका तो हो गया ना। किसी को कुछ इश्यू होगा तो वो अपने मतलब बता सकता है, तो अभी हम लोग रिजॉल्व कर देंगे, बिकॉज दिस वाज द क्रूशियल स्टेप, सो इसके आगे हम लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हैं।
शॉर्टकट की जो शायद वो कुछ अलग है हमारे में। कंट्रोल शिफ्ट भी में मेरा वो ऑप्शन नहीं आया जो टाइपिंग का आया था ना फ्लटर।
सिंपल एक दूसरा स्टेप डाल सकते हो नहीं हो रहा है तो।
और मेरा वीएस को भी मैंने फ्लटर डॉक्टर डाला तो वो आ गया, बट उसमें 2 इश्यूज जो पहले थे वही वापस से आ रहे हैं।
हाँ वो क्वेश्चन है, आपका प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट नहीं हो रहा है तो फ्लटर क्रिएट और ऐप नेम डालिए।
नहीं, प्रोजेक्ट क्रिएट हो चुका है। टर्मिनल में मैंने ना मतलब वीएस कोड के टर्मिनल में मैंने फ्लटर डॉक्टर डाला तो रन हो गया, उसमें 2 इशू आ रहा था।
हाँ वो आएगा।
हाँ वो यस क्योंकि वो आपका एसटीके है।
एंड विदाउट कमांडिंग एक्सेस हम प्रोजेक्ट तो बना ही सकते हैं।
यस प्रोजेक्ट तो बना सकते हैं, जस्ट फ्लटर क्रिएट just this step and your project name, type this one and press enter.
Yeah, then we try this command.
Okay, one more step is that आपके पास USB होगा तो USB से अपना मोबाइल कनेक्ट कर लीजिए, physical device I will be
Tushar, can we like do it in the Chrome browser itself to make it easy?
yes I will be showing. हो गया सबका? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
okay just connect my device. okay मैं मेरी ये भी शो कर देता हूँ। ओके आप अभी अपने डिवाइस में आपके पास यूएसबी से डिवाइस कनेक्ट कर दीजिए बस अपने लैपटॉप से।
फिर से चार्ज ओनली में रखना है या ट्रांसफर फाइल्स?
नहीं नहीं, उसका कोई इशू नहीं, कैसे भी रहेगा तो चलेगा।
यूएसबी डिबगिंग ऑन नहीं करना होता, शायद करना होता।
उसके बाद आप अबाउट में जाकर ओके ओके
केबल से
ओके ओके मोबाइल कनेक्ट करने के लिए पहले आप यूएसबी कनेक्ट कर लीजिए। यूएसबी कनेक्ट कर लिया? हेलो?
He's saying in VS Code how to connect mobile.
हाँ यस यस, वही बता रहा हूँ। पहले आप मोबाइल कनेक्ट कर लीजिए यूएसबी से।
डन सर।
ओके उसके बाद आप अबाउट सेक्शन में जाइए मोबाइल के।
यस।
अबाउट सेक्शन में जाने के बाद आपको एक ये ऑप्शन दिख रहा होगा, वर्जन वाला, एंड्रॉइड वर्जन।
सर वो हो चुका है, यूएसबी डिबगिंग ऑन कर चुका हूँ।
ओके डेवलपर ऑप्शन में जाकर फिर आपको डेवलपर ऑप्शन सर्च कीजिए।
हाँ, उसमें मैंने डिबगिंग ऑन कर चुका।
ओके
वीएस कोड में आपने कुछ किए थे, वो मिस हो गया स्टेप।
हाँ हाँ, प्रेजेंट नहीं हो रहा था वो उसमें।
हाँ
आप एक बार आपकी स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकोगे कि एग्जैक्टली क्या है?
हम एक्चुअली उसका स्टेप मिस हो गया जो
सर
आपने
आपका
VS कोड
स्टेप
में
नहीं
बनाया
दिखा
ना।
हमें, आपका स्क्रीन बंद हो गया था।
ओके 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 मैं वापस बताता हूँ कि देखो
यूएसबी डिबगिंग ऑन करने के बाद से बताओ सर।
ओके आपने, मैं मेरा भी स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ। यूएसबी
हो रहा है।
डिबगिंग ऑन करने के बाद आपने वीएस कोड में आपको कनेक्टेड डिवाइस दिखाएगा। यहाँ पर राइट में दिखा रहा है सबको? हेलो?
हाँ नहीं, ऑटोमेटिकली नहीं दिखा रहा है, मैन्युअली कैसे कर सकते हैं?
मैन्युअली मींस नहीं, आपने जैसे आपका डिवाइस
बॉटम राइट में देख, बॉटम राइट में एकदम बॉटम राइट में नाम लिख के आ रहा होगा।
ओके यस यस, हाँ आ रहा है।
यस यस, बस उस पर क्लिक करने के बाद बस आप रन पर क्लिक कर दीजिए। यहाँ पर रन एंड डिबग, वरना यहाँ पर भी आप फ्लटर रन डालिए। जस्ट आई फ्लटर रन। Guys, this is the crucial stage because इसके आगे हम लोग नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए ये सबका होना इम्पोर्टेंट है। किसी को कुछ इश्यू होगा तो मतलब दिखा सकता है। सबका रन हो रहा है।
हाँ, ग्रेडल डिबग करके आ रहा है।
यस यस यस, होगा वो। ये थोड़ा सा डाउनलोड करेगा, फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहे हो तो आप तो कुछ iOS की फाइल हो या कुछ और भी चीजें, बहुत सारी चीजें डाउनलोड करता है ग्राइडल डाउनलोडिंग। जिनका डिवाइस में कनेक्ट हो रहा है तो कोई इश्यू नहीं, आप वेब सिलेक्ट कर लीजिए और यहाँ से रन कर दीजिए, जस्ट लाइक एज
काफी टाइम लग रहा है।
यस यस, वो पूरा आपका ग्राइडल या iOS का जो पॉड फाइल रहता है वो सब डाउनलोड करता है।
तो वो एंड्रॉइड स्टूडियो का ग्रेडल वाला वो इस्तेमाल नहीं करता, अलग से डाउनलोड होता है।
हाँ यस, वो मैं बताता हूँ आपको कि आगे कैसे होता है पूरा। ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कैसा था कि आपका जो स्टेप कुछ मिसिंग भी हुआ है एसडीके इंस्टॉल करते टाइम, तो यहाँ पर पूरा अपडेट कर लेता है। ओके, तब तक अब हमारे पास जैसे कुछ टाइम है, तो मेन हम लोग फोकस करेंगे हैंड्स ऑन पर ही ऊपर ही, और रेदर मतलब जितना भी हमने कोड लिखा है, जितने भी किया है, तो पहले हम लोग ये थोड़ा टाइम लेगा, तब तक हम लोग उसके कुछ चीजें सीख लेते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली है क्या क्या इसमें। आप इसमें जितने भी डॉट वाले फोल्डर दिख रहे हैं, दोज आर द प्राइवेट फोल्डर। वो सिस्टम का कुछ पार्ट रहते हैं, वो आपके फाइनल बिल्ड में नहीं आते। ओके, ये डॉट डार्ट टूल, ये VS कोड के कुछ जनरेटेड फोल्डर है। एंड्रॉयड फोल्डर स्पेसिफिकली डिनोट करता है कि ऑल द ऑल द एंड्रॉयड रिलेटेड थिंग्स कम्स इनटू दिस फोल्डर। जो एंड्रॉयड का कोड होगा वो पूरा इसके अंदर आ जाएगा। एंड देन ये बिल्ड और ऐप वाला है, जब आप प्रोजेक्ट रन करते हो तब ये ऑटो जनरेटेड फाइल होता है, जस्ट लाइक कि आपका जो लोकल पर ही रहता है। iOS वाला फोल्डर सेम एज iOS को ही पूरा ये करता है कि एग्जैक्टली कि iOS के रिलेटेड क्या है, जितना भी कुछ चेंज होगा पॉड
Sir,
फाइल
if
जो
you
पूरा।
don't mind, can you speak in English, sir?
या श्योर श्योर।
Thank you, sir.
वो असेंबल डिबग से आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा।
ओके, जस्ट I also write, okay? Let me share something. Okay. 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 Those all the folder, starting with the dot folder. This all the folder, private folder. This is the not part of the final lead, or that's this is the system generated folder. So we don't care about we need to some configuration related, that's kind of shit. But as of now, you can skip that. We'll discuss later each and every concept. Okay. Android related folder, denotes the all the Android related stuff. This include the manifest file. If you want to change the some Android specific related icon or anything is that, then you can deal with the dash folder. Same as the iOS folder. iOS also refer to the iOS application. That's the iPhone application. All the things that. The main thing is that we are all the dealing with the leaf folder. Leaf folder contain the all the Dart related code of. Uh, we write all the code in leaf folder itself. In leaf folder, there is one main method. It's all the as but we can say that in every program language has the main method. So same like that this one. Same as the Linux code into the Linux folder, Mac OS test folder. Yeah. Uh, this is where we write all our test cases, unit testing, integration testing, the component testing, all the things. This deal with the web, same as the web, Windows. And there is the one, readme folder, it's just like as the GitHub readme folder, we can, just for our information purpose. And then there is, you can see the pubsys.yml file. This file is just like as, we need to maintain all the configuration. What is your app, which package we are using, which version we are using, just like as these are the essential folder. The name contain the your package name, which package name you are using. And in Play Store or App Store, there is every application has the unique app name, and that's the differ from the all the apps, and its content description published to. This is not required. This is if you want to develop the some packages, and that's all the thing is that this contain the your version. This version is for the app version. It's you can mention any of them. And here is the your SDK version that we downloaded from the Flutter SDK itself. And here is the some dependency. In dependency, let me share that. In dependency, it's divided into the two parts. First one is developer dependency. Just remove some all the codes. Come on. Okay. Dependency include the two type of dependency: developer dependency, and that's the actual dependency. The development dependency is the part of the development process. This not include in our final build, and then we will discuss each and every dependency and all the things that. And here, lastly, we can see is that if we want to add some assets or any kind of images, text, fonts, all the things, then we can mention here just like this here. Just mention this like that, just mention font family, just like this font, in uh this is your actual path name with the name of your file and all the things that we will discuss later. Same for the images. Suppose we want to add images, as just mention assets. Just define your just like as this one. Let me images, images, and just put your file and write this type of. This will be refer to the all the your assets and all the things that. If you want to access all the folder, just slide slash. There will be no detect all the files that are present into that location itself. Okay, as of now, just comment this one. Okay, okay. Have you able to see this application or able to run application?
Yes.
Okay, so it's running, right? Hello, is
Yes.
everyone able to? Okay, okay, okay. Let's we have some times and we can discuss. The first main method what this do, and will be solve our remaining problem, and then we further do all the things in tomorrow. This is the important step, so because if you are not able to install correct Flutter path and all the things, and then it's we not able to move forward. Okay, firstly, remove all the these things. Okay, if you uh, don't know about anything, that's what we write. Then remove this all the things. I will explain. I think I have some slides just to show. Okay, is there any confusion about not able to understand which file what do, and is anything?
Will we be doing hands-on on VS Code or on Android Studio?
uh, we can do I mean any one of them as your choice, but I will be prefer VS Code is lightweight, and that's the thing. If you want to do in Android Studio, then you can go forward to the Android Studio, no issue. The same, all the process are the same. There is no difference for the VS Code and Android Studio.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Is just want to know is that have you able to understand all the file structure, all the things that.
We'll need a revision. Can you send the PPT and
Yeah, yeah, I can also send the PPT, but just if you have any question, just just ask. Don't hesitate to because for me just anything you write, you need to know about all the thing is that. Okay, as already explained about the main thing is that we are all dealing with the the lib folder itself, just like this one. If you want to do some specific operation related to the Android, iOS, or Windows, or web, then we go for this folder, the Android, iOS, and lib folder. Okay, let's understand what exactly this do. Okay, as every program start with the main method, this in Dart or Flutter program start with the main method itself. Uh, just write this one. Okay, 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 just like this one. Every program has the the main method. That's like this one. Main method is starting point to your application. This this will be the indicated that the when the you compile your project, the compiler find for the main file, and that will be the execute all the program, as all the programming same as the main method is doing that. Run app is the your starting point of the your widget tree. We will discuss all the things in later. But I just want to give some brief, little bit introduction about these topics. You know, Run app is your starting point application. Is the root of your application. Everything is comes into the Run app itself. So Run app is entry point over the application, and then Run app accept as a parameter as a widgets. We will discuss tomorrow what is widgets and how Flutter works internally itself and all the things that. But just give on to some introduction. Okay, Run app takes as a parameter as a widget, and in Flutter everything is a widget. We will discuss what kind of widget. There is a two kind of widget: stateless and stateful, and all the things that. Just want to know is have you guys done process uh, Run app or any issue, because we will it's not able to cover all the things because it will be break the your continuity and you are not able to understand the something. So we will start tomorrow remaining topics, but if you have any issue then we can solve now.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
My in Visual Studio terminal is still running.
Your voice is not clear, Joshi.
Hello. Is it clear now?
Yes, 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 tell me.
हाँ तो वही हम लोग का वही पहले वाला एरर का ही दिक्कत हो रहा है। मेरे में VS कोड ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड है तो फिर भी बता रहा है कि नॉट इंस्टॉल्ड।
एक बार आपने स्क्रीन शेयर करोगे?
हाँ एक सेकंड।
यस, यस।
और वो प्रॉब्लम तो है ही, और मेरे उसमें VS कोड में फ़ोन नहीं बता रहे। मैंने डीबगिंग भी ऑन किया, उसके बाद भी फ़ोन का ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिखा रहा राइट बॉटम
आप
कॉर्नर पे।
ओके, ओके, आप एक बार डेवलपर ऑप्शन में इनेबल करोगे आप? मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ, मेरी स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ।
इनेबल किया हूँ मैंने USB डीबगिंग।
ओके, अभी दिखाओगे क्या हो रहा है?
VS कोड में राइट बॉटम कॉर्नर पे जो नाम दिखाना चाहिए वो नहीं दिखा रहा है फोन का।
ओके, इट्स मीन कि आपका जो मोबाइल ही कनेक्टेड नहीं हुआ है, आपने कुछ परमिशन नहीं दोगी। एक काम कीजिए, आप एक बार अनप्लग कर लीजिए और वापस प्लग इन कर लीजिए। अभी आप बता रहे थे कुछ और उन्होंने स्क्रीन शेयर किया है, अनुराग पटेल समथिंग, क्या इशू आ रहा है?
हाँ तो मेरा इधर विजुअल स्टूडियो नॉट इंस्टॉल्ड दिखा रहा है, लेकिन मेरे पास ऑलरेडी विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड है। और इसमें भी सेम वही आया था।
ओके, आपके पास एंड्रॉइड स्टूडियो इसमें भी सेम आ रहा है?
स्टूडियो नहीं इंस्टॉल्ड है, विजुअल कोड इंस्टॉल्ड है, VS कोड इंस्टॉल्ड है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। विजुअल स्टूडियो अलग आईडी है, चल उसका कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
ये क्या?
हाँ ये कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इसको, लाइक अगर तुम्हें करना है तो
इग्नोर कर सकते हो।
अभी के लिए कोई इशू नहीं, आप चला सकते हो। अभी आपको तो ठीक है, आपके पास एंड्रॉइड स्टूडियो है। अच्छा, डिवाइस भी दिखा रहा है, अभी रन कर दीजिए। क्या इशू आ रहा है? अभी तो होना चाहिए रन।
हाँ तो ये पहला वाला वो पाथ SDK पाथ वाला।
ओके, देखो अभी वो क्या बता रहा है कि पाथ टू SDK मैनेजर इंस्टॉल CMD लेंटल्स। आपका जो पाथ है ना वो पूरा कॉपी कर लीजिए। SDK मैनेजर की जगह आपके पास जो पाथ है वो पेस्ट कर दीजिए वहां पर, बस उसे आपको रिप्लेस करना है। पहले आप एक काम कर लीजिए, तो वो पूरा पहले कॉपी कर लीजिए जो पाथ टू SDK मैनेजर। इंस्टॉल तक कीजिए कि SDK मैनेजर इंस्टॉल। यस, यस, ये CMD डबल कोट्स वाला निकाल दीजिए। हाँ, अभी जो SDK मैनेजर है ना उसकी जगह आप अपना पाथ डालिए जो वहां पर होगा आपके पास।
ठीक है,
हाँ ठीक है। अभी हाँ, बीन वाला
SDK मैनेजर की जगह।
हाँ, ये रिप्लेस कर दीजिए। आई थिंक स्टार्टिंग में आपका कुछ ये हो रहा है, एक्स्ट्रा कैरेक्टर आया है।
एंड ये पार्ट 2 भी हटा दीजिए।
पार्ट को भी हटा दूं?
Yes.
Now it true.
2v, right? 2 /2 is that.
Did he say no? Can you tell me what is your issue?
अभी हो जाएगा मेरा फ्लटर डॉक्टर पे।
Yeah, try.
हो गया, वो लीव कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ, yes, of course, no issue.
You're set.
अभी बार ये वाला कमांड रन कर दो, फ्लटर डॉक्टर डैश एंड्रॉइड लाइसेंसेस, ऊपर लिखा हो रहा है, बस कॉपी पेस्ट कर दो।
कहाँ पर है?
एंड इसके बाद बस yes कर देना सारे लाइसेंस को।
Yes. Okay. ये सबका तो हो गया, और किसी को कुछ इशू आ रहा है? Just share your skin, because yeah, it's done.
अब रन करो, अब एरर नहीं आएगा।
तो जो विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड का उसका रहने दो ना।
हाँ, उसका कोई इशू नहीं। ठीक है।
थैंक्स।
ओके, और किसी को इशू आ रहा है? Sorry, I didn't understand what exactly you want to say.
She has no electricity, like her house. Whatever.
Okay. No issue. जिसका हुआ है वो लीव कर सकता है, जिसका बाकी है, we can solve this issue. Because ये स्टेप नहीं होगा तो हम लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते।
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Just don't call me sir. Just call me Tushar.
One question, sir.
Yes.
Like, did you learn Flutter in your while you were working or while you were in college? I think Flutter was not.
No. I started Flutter. Initially I learned some of the joining some conference and all that, and then after that I joined the one boot camp before the COVID started at Jaipur, which is conducted by the E.T. Chaudhary sir. Then I learned all the things there, and then after that in working time I learned the advanced concept and architecture part.
Sir, this is Swapnashri, sir.
Sorry?
Swapnashri, sir. Actually, I lost my I'm not installed Flutter, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what exactly issue they are showing?
No, sir. I'm when I listening, there is no current that time. So there just I listened, but
Okay.
now I want to install. Can you please
Okay.
tell the process, sir?
Yes. Just I also share the this link. Just download and try this one. If you are facing any particular issue, then just share your skin. We can solve this issue.
Okay, sir.
ऐप लॉन्च हो गया फोन पे तो वहां तक बस ना आज के लिए।
हाँ, yes. बस वहां तक ही बस. Just launch your application. We will discuss tomorrow all the details. How Flutter works and internal details. We develop some concept. But today's agenda is that just install Flutter and solve your doubt.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Any required reading you want to give or something like to prepare for
Yeah,
the lab?
yes. You know,